Alright guys, a little T-Rex collection. We finally got our batteries together. I'll be going flying these two tomorrow. And go over some more updates on the gas of the Radical G20. I've also got the pull string starter on it now. And I just have to connect the CDI and run the power wires to this switch to power up the receiver, and this one will power up the CDI. And also I still waiting to remove this elevator control linkage, and two servos. That one is for the throttle and one is supposed to be for the tail. Well, neither one of them is good enough for the tail, so I'm gonna have to get a tail servo. And what I'd like to do is take the tail servo off the 600, because I need a 7 to 8 volt tail servo on the 600. So it'd be great to swap it over to the Radical G20. So stay tuned and wish me luck. I'm going to have fun. Thank you guys for all your support. Stay tuned for the video tomorrow.